Want to make money on YouTube without showing your face or filming videos yourself? Well, guess what AI can help you do that? Keep watching to learn how you can start earning from YouTube with AI today. It's easier than you think. Step 1. Content creation with AI. First, let's talk about content creation. With AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper, you can create scripts and ideas in minutes. No more writer's block. Step 2. Video creation with AI. Next up, video creation. AI like Pictory or Synthesia can turn your scripts into videos automatically. Just type it in, hit go, and boom! You've got a video ready to upload. Step 3. Monetization strategies. Then, it's time to monetize. Ads, affiliate links, even selling your own digital products. AI can help optimize your SEO so your videos get more views and more cash in your pocket. AI plus YouTube equals money, money, money. So if you're ready to jump into the world of AI-powered YouTube income, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on turning tech into cash. Start today. Your future self will thank you.